Welcome to another tutorial for Workshop Software. Today we're going to be talking about Stock Take. When you add a product into the product page of Workshop Software, you'll notice it may have a quantity on hand field. This is based on the type you select. For example, labor does not have a quantity on hand field. However, stock, consumables, accessories, and tires do. Quantity on hand will automatically go down when you press process on a customer invoice, and it'll automatically go up when you press process on a supplier invoice, as long as this product is included in those invoices. Now, if I manually change this from a 2 to a 1 quantity on hand and press save, there's no record of this done anywhere, so there's no traceability on what's happened here. So the best way to record a manual change like that, if I set this back to 2, is to go to the Stock Take page. Now on here, I'll see a list of all my products. I can sort through them if I don't want to see the full list. For example, product type, product group, supplier, or I can put a beginning item and end item in terms of item code. And then it'll shrink the list for me to just from that initial code to the final code. Now, once you find the product you'd like to adjust the quantity for, it will show you the current quantity on hand, and you simply enter in the updated quantity. Now you can see this has gone dark green. That means if I press process, that's the only thing that's going to be put through. All of these will not have stock takes recorded for this date. It's only once I enter in a value into the count column that it turns green and it will have an updated stock take recorded against the product. Let's press process and take a look at how that will appear on our product page. So on this air filter that we just adjusted, the quantity on hand has been updated, and at the bottom, there's a stock take that's been recorded and when. If you'd like to lock the quantity on hand field to reduce manual changes happening in your system, simply head to Settings, Company Settings, and turn on Reserved Stock. This will block that field. This will also show you an available stock field. So if you're using that product in a booking or a job, it will show you how many have been reserved in those open bookings and jobs. If you'd like to see a report on your stock take variances, simply go to Analytics, Business Reports, Stock Reports, and then Stock Take Variance. If you'd like to print a list of all of your current quantities on hand, simply generate a stock value report or a stock listing report. And that's all there is to know about performing stock takes in Workshop software.